In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile picture in Canva. Let's get started right from your Canva homepage. Make sure you're logged into your account, and you should be on the main dashboard where you usually see your designs and templates. Take a moment to look at the lower left corner of your screen. This is where Canva keeps your account controls. You'll see a small circle or icon that represents your profile. It might be a generic avatar if you've never set one before, or it might be your existing photo. Go ahead and click on that profile icon in the lower left corner. When you click it, a small menu or panel will open up. This is your account area where you can access your profile, account settings, and other preferences. From this menu, look for the option labeled Settings. It's usually clearly named, and it might have a small gear icon next to it to indicate that it's for configuration. Click on Settings to open your main account settings page. This page is where Canva lets you adjust things like your profile details, email preferences, and of course your profile picture. Once you're on the settings page, Canva will guide you with on-screen prompts. These prompts may appear near your current profile image or in a section labeled something like your account or profile. Look for your current profile photo or avatar. There should be an option nearby that says something like Change, Edit, or an icon of a camera. Click on that option and Canva will usually give you a choice to upload a new image from your computer or select one from your existing uploads. If you're uploading from your computer, choose a clear, high-quality photo where your face is easy to see, especially if you use Canva for professional or school projects. After selecting the image file, wait for it to upload. Canva may ask you to adjust the cropping so your face is centered and looks good in a small circle. Follow any remaining on-screen prompts, such as confirming or saving the change. Once you've done that, your new profile picture should update automatically across your Canva account. To double check, look back at the lower left corner of the screen and make sure